This important reaction coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. So let's quickly shift our attention to the latest comment that's come in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's taken to social media X. He says, and I quote, "The railway accident in West Bengal is saddening. Condolences to those who lost their loved ones. I pray that the injured recover at the earliest." Spoke to officials and took stock of the situation. Rescue operations are underway to assist the affected. The Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw ji is on the way to the site of the mishap as well. So that is the latest reaction that's come in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's also personally monitoring the situation. And he says Ashwini Vaishnaw is on his way. He's going to be making it to the site of the train accident very, very shortly. He says this is saddening and pays condolences to those who have lost their loved ones. He also, most importantly, says that he's spoken to officials personally. He's taking stock of the situation, personally monitoring the situation, evaluating the kind of rescue efforts that have been ongoing since this morning. He says rescue operations are underway to assist the affected, and we do know the kind of presence of several agencies on ground to assist those conducting rescue operations. Now, we've been telling you about the death toll, currently estimated to be at 5, and railway officials who are in the know-how of the ongoing efforts say that unlikely that the death toll will go up. So that's a little bit of relief coming in. But there are other questions that are being asked. There are internal communications which have raised questions. According to the message during the course of the internal communication, we're learning that the electronic interlocking system of the section failed and trains were being operated through the PLC, which is paper line clearance, following general rules of the Indian Railways. What really went wrong? Were there any loopholes? Was this a technical error or a manual error? All of that is going to be found out in due course. But let me quickly go across to Payal joining us with more details. We keep up with the first response that's come in from the Prime Minister. Narendra Modi says, Payal, that he's personally monitoring the situation. He's been speaking to some of the officials as well. And most importantly, he and the Railway Minister are also in constant communication, given that he said that he's going to be on the site very, very shortly.
Yes, what we're given to understand, the Prime Minister in fact has dialed Ashwini Vaishnaw, the Railway Minister, has reviewed the entire situation, asked for rescue and relief operation to take the center stage right now, and that be done with optimum capacity, and that's the reason Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has immediately rushed to the accident site. Although from the morning he was monitoring the situation and monitoring the updates from the war room within the Railway Ministry, but he decided to go to the site and he will be keeping it updated. And like always, the Prime Minister keeping a close watch on what the situation is. Really is. He's monitoring the situation right through the entire day, and of course he's expected to get updates as soon as the Railways Minister reaches the site.
Okay, all right. The Railway Minister is going to be at the site today itself. He's en route. He's left from the national capital and personally updating the Prime Minister with the latest as far as rescue efforts are concerned. Payal, very clear that the priority right now is to conduct smooth rescue operations to ensure that there are no casualties, the number doesn't go up, those who need medical attention are provided the same at the earliest. That's the focus very clearly. Rescue operations on a war footing. What about, the developments coming in from the Railway Ministry? We're also learning that, there's a lot of activities that are coming to light from the war room there, and a constant communication of sorts also that's being established.
Well, of course, that's a scheduled practice where one really actually monitors the situation from the war room itself in the national capital at the Railway Ministry. But of course, senior officials of the railways and also NDRF teams have also reached the accident site. The basic focus right now will be to ensure that maximum rescue and relief operations really take place. If anybody is trapped, that person needs to be rescued. The injured need to be given medical treatment. That's been the priority. That's going to be the center stage. Of course, the inquiry will parallelly happen also because, obviously the initial inquiry has already been initiated by the railways as well. But the focus of the minister on ground will be to, in fact, make sure that there is assurance given to the people that, of course, such a situation should not really happen. And if it has happened, then anybody who's been responsible for this will be brought to the books. Prima facie, it appears to be a signalling issue as well, but we'll only know once the minister is on ground, because he's somebody who is extremely efficient. He understands the working of the railways. He understands the technicality involving the signalling, etc. is concerned. So that's the reason the BJP's hope, the government has asked him to rush to the accident site.
And we've seen him do that in the past, isn't it, Payal? We've seen the railway minister, when it comes to tragedies of this extent, really monitor the rescue operations personally. And we've seen him do that in the past. He's going to be there shortly, though the CPRO of Eastern Railways has spoken exclusively to Kamalika and has told CNN News 18 that it's unlikely that the number of casualties is going to go up any further. The Prime Minister's come out with the first response. All efforts really on the kind of rescue operations that are being carried out, Payal. What's interesting though, amidst all of these reactions that have come in, including those from the eyewitnesses, everybody's come out to say that there was a sudden loud sound that they could hear. Nobody saw this coming. There was a stationary passenger train, and suddenly everyone saw a goods train at a high speed ram into this passenger train, and that's what's really given birth to so many questions on why was this passenger train stationary between two stations. It was not in an isolated location really, because a lot of local help did come out, but was this a scheduled halt? What about the speeding goods train? All of those are questions that are perhaps being asked by one and all today, Payal.
Yes, of course, all these questions have to be asked and all these questions have to be answered, because if there is a signaling problem, was it something which was not brought to the notice of the authorities? All of these questions will remain as those are going to be answered. But for now, the maximum effort is being made to make sure that the rescue and the relief operations are maximum. Right now, also, we've just seen the Prime Minister put out another tweet as well. The Prime Minister has announced the ex gratia amount. In fact, he has announced an ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees from the PM NRF fund, which will be given to the next of kin of those who are diseased, and the injured will be given 50,000 as well. So that's the announcement coming in from the centre. That's the announcement coming in from the Prime Minister, and it's going to be a whole of government approach, like always that we've seen, in the earlier tragedies, especially the Balasore tragedy, where we saw multiple teams come in together and ensure that the maximum relief was taking place. And over there also, Ashwini Vaishnav was accompanied by Mansukh Mandavia as then Health Minister. So obviously, all of the whole of government approach is something which Modi would like his team to really ensure, because nobody expects such a situation to arise. Nobody expects such a situation to come in as well. The opposition already coming hammers and tongs against Ashwini Vaishnav, the Railway Minister, blaming him for being inefficient. We'll have to just see what the outcome of the inquiry really comes through.
Some in the opposition have in fact even demanded his resignation. But that said, like you said, right now the focus is on rescue efforts. We've been speaking to several who are engaged in rescue operations since a few hours now. In fact, Darjeeling ASP, additional SP of Darjeeling, has also spoken up on the rescue operations. He's in fact confirmed that at least 25 people have sustained injuries and another 5 have lost their life in this tragedy. Let's quickly hear it from him.
स्थिति अभी थोड़ा गंभीर है। ये आप देख रहे हैं कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, ये पीछे यहाँ पे खड़ा था और पीछे से एक मालगाड़ी आके उसको ठोक दिया। 3 बॉगी अभी तक डिटेल्ड हुआ है, 5 फैटलिटी हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी हुआ है 5। अभी तक हम रेस्क्यू कर लिया है। और मालगाड़ी का जो आगे का इंजन है वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा। आरपीएफ भी आगे है, हम लोग लोकल पीएस से आगे है। 5 का मौत हुआ है अभी तक। ठीक है,
इंजर्ड हुआ है?
इंजर्ड अभी तक 25 to 30 नियरली, बट द इंजुरीज आर नॉट फैटल। इंसिडेंट पीछे से मालगाड़ी आके ये कंचनजंगा जो एक्सप्रेस है, मालदा कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, इसको पीछे से कॉलिशन हो गया।
यहाँ मतलब हम लोग जब सुबह की आज तो हम लोग का बकरा ईद है, जब हम लोग नमाज पढ़ के बाहर निकले तो हम लोग को मतलब खबर आया कि हमारे यहाँ 2 किलोमीटर अंदर एक ट्रेन दुर्घटना हुई है। तो हम लोग जो है मतलब इसको तो लाइव नहीं देखा, हम लोग सुना, फिर जगह मतलब जब हम लोग को पता चला फिर हम लोग यहाँ स्पॉट आके अभी देख रहे हैं। ये तो जो है बहुत
क्या देख रहे हैं आप, क्या नजर
यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आके जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद।
एक ही लाइन पे, एक ही पटरी पे था?
जी हाँ, एक ही पटरी पे शायद एक ट्रेन खड़ी थी या जा रही थी, शायद स्लो थी, और मतलब एक ट्रेन आ रही थी, आके जो है मतलब ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई है शायद।
जब ये घटना घटी तब टाइम हो रहा था अप्रॉक्स 8:35 मॉर्निंग। तो जितना हम लोग को पता चला, सामने कंचनजंगा जो एक्सप्रेस है वो धीरे गति से चल रहा था, वो खड़ा नहीं था, धीरे गति चल रहा था। पीछे से जो मालगाड़ी है वो अचानक बहुत स्पीड से था, वो आके पीछे से मर दिया उसको।
तो क्या एक ही ट्रैक पे हुआ है?
एक ही ट्रैक पे दो ट्रेन एक ही ट्रैक पे आ गया। अचानक देखिए इतना आवाज हुआ था, यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी जितना सब है सब आके इसके ऑपरेशन में लग गया। स्पॉट डेड हम लोगों को जितना पता चला 5-6 जन यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू किया गया है। अभी भी अब देख सकते हैं कि अभी जस्ट नाउ एक जन को रेस्क्यू करके गया।
Okay, well, after the Prime Minister's first reaction, him expressing condolences and really, pouring his heart out for the family members of those who've lost their lives, we're also picking up a reaction from the Prime Minister's office.